Big Shot die cutting and embossing machine is the perfect tool for a wide range of creative pursuits and caters for everyone from the beginner to the expert. This exciting new design in a stylish grey and white comes with the added bonus of the extended multi-purpose platform, giving more possibilities than ever before. By using the platform, makers can gain instant compatibility to a wide selection of Sizzix embossing tools and dies. Let's take a look at the Big Shot machine in action. As you can see, the multi-purpose platform comes with instructions. This shows me that if I want to cut with thinlits dies, to use the top layer of the platform. So let's start with a thinlits die. Choose your thinlet and create a sandwich. For this you need the cutting pad and cardstock of your choice. Place the cardstock and the thinlet face down between the cutting pads to create your sandwich, and then run through the machine. And as you can see, the die is cut through the cardstock perfectly. Now let's have a look at embossing. So again, referring to our instructions, we can see that we need to adapt the platform so that this time the sandwich is placed on tab 1. So using the cutting pads, create your sandwich by placing the first cutting pad on top of the platform. Get your desired cardstock and place it inside the embossing folder. Then put this between the cutting pads. And run through the machine. And as you can see, you're left with a beautifully embossed piece of card. Finally, let's take a look at the Big's die. The Big's die is steel ruled blade technology which run through a multitude of materials such as cardstock, cardboard, foam, felt, leather and paper, just to name a few. When using the Big's die, you only need the cutting pads and can remove the multi-purpose platform. You need to place the Bigs between the cutting pads to make your sandwich and make sure that the design faces the material. For this example, I'll be using felt. And once you've created your sandwich, run it through the machine. Now, as you can see, the die has cut the felt into a range of beautiful shapes.